स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास का 5th चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं, ज्योग्राफी का। इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। पहले हम व्हाई आर आयरन स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज इज कॉल्ड बेसिक इंडस्ट्रीज। इट इज कॉल्ड बेसिक इंडस्ट्रीज बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड आयरन एंड स्टील फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टूल्स एंड machines for various construction purposes. This is a feeder industry whose products are used as raw materials for other industries. Move to the next question. What is manufacturing? It is process in which raw materials change into products of more value to people. Next, on which basis we can classify industries? We can classify the industries on the basis of raw materials, size and ownership. Classify the industries on the basis of raw materials: agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based, forest-based, animal-based. Where does India rank in world production of steel? India ranked 9th in world production of steel. Name a steel plants located at a port, Visakhapatnam. When was the first cotton textile mill set up? The first cotton textile mills was set up at Bombay in 1854. Name two industries causing water pollution: tanneries, textile. Classify the industries on the basis of size: small scale or large scale. Name large scale industries: textile industries, iron steel industries, sugar industries, cement industries, aircraft and ship industries, aluminum industries. What is an industrial regions? Industrial regions emerge when a number of industries are located close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. When and where did one of the worst industrial disasters occur? One of the worst industrial disasters of all times occurred in Bhopal, जो मध्य प्रदेश में, on 3 December 1984 around 12:30 am. What are the inputs for iron and steel industries? Raw materials such as iron ore, coal and limestones, along with labor, capital, sites and other infrastructures. When did first Indian steel plants was started? India's first steel plant, TISCO, was started in 1907 at Sakchi in Jharkhand. Give full form for at TISCO. TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. Move to the next question. What is meant by term industry? The term industry refers to an economic activities that is concerned with productions of goods, extraction of minerals or provision of service. What are main factors which influence the location of industry? The main factors on which the location of industry depends are availability of raw materials, land, water, transportations, labor, electricity, capital, market. Move to the next question. Which industry is often referred to as backbone of modern industry and why? Iron and steel industry is often referred to as backbone of modern industry. The reasons are: first one, it provides base for many industries. Second one, it lays the foundation of rapid development of other industries like automobiles, aircrafts, etc., which help in the economic development of the country. Next one है हमारा why cotton textile industry is rapidly expanded in Mumbai. देखिए, cotton textile industry is rapidly expanded in Mumbai due to following reasons: its humid climate, which is favorable for cotton growth. Second one, facilities of Mumbai as a port for importing machinery, availability of raw materials, availability of skilled labor. What are the similarities between information technology industry in Bangalore and California? First one, both are international centers of information technology. Second, skilled workforce is available, good climate, both are connected with major roads and airports. Take the correct answer. Silicon Valley is located in, कहाँ पर स्थित है ये? कैलिफोर्निया में, ठीक है, कैलिफोर्निया. Which one of the following industry is known as sunrise industry? Information technology. Distinction between the following: agro-based and mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries, these industries use plants and animals-based products as their raw materials. These industries are primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials. Second one, cotton, jute, textiles, sugar industries, etc. are agro-based industries. Iron, steel, aluminium, cements, etc. are mineral-based industries. Next and last, public sector industries and joint sector industries. Public sector industries owned and operated by states and its agencies. Industries owned and operated by the states and individuals or a group of individuals. Their main motive is welfare of the peoples. Profit as well as welfare of the peoples is their main motive. For example, Indian Oil Corporation, Steel Authority of India Limited. For example, Maruti Udyog Limited. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.